If you want to remove objects from photos on the Xiaomi 17, first of all, we're gonna open the gallery. Now over here in the gallery, we're gonna open the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and we're gonna tap on this square with a pen at the bottom of the screen. In here, you want to go to the Create category, and then we can find the Erase tool. We need to download the Erase tool first, so once you tap on it, we need to wait until it's downloaded, which shouldn't take too long. And then once it is downloaded, once it says erase again, you can tap again in order to finally select it. Now in here, of course, we have a couple of options like remove objects, remove people, remove glare, and so on and so forth. I'm gonna stick with the remove objects, and now we can draw a shape around the subject that we want to remove. It should snap to the subject quite easily. There we go. And we can tap on start in order to remove the highlighted area, and after a couple of seconds we should get the result. So let's see how it looks like. Of course, in case there is something left, like in my case, it has been replaced with something completely different. So we can keep going. We can of course keep selecting until it is actually removed, and most of the time it should work just fine. You should be able to just erase whatever you had over there, and there should be nothing instead. It shouldn't be replaced, it should be actually erased. And let's see if this time we can actually get rid of this. There we go. But we have like this dark spot, which is like a shade after the die cast. So I can try to select that shade. Let's see if it's going to be highlighted. There it is. And we can press start in order to see if that's going to fix. And of course we can keep going until we are satisfied with the result. And once you are done, there we go. Let's say I'm satisfied with this result. So now I can tap on this check in the bottom right corner. And then we can use save option in the top, on the top of here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.